Good morning YouTube. 5:30 in the morning. Today is supposed to be a very exciting day. Quickly we'll have coffee. I'm already ready and fresh. I just have to make my bed and let's hit the road.
Hey Shiva, say hi. Shiva's here with his badass interceptor, and guys, look at this fog. This is why we took a left, and those guys are wondering, you know, kahan ja rahe hain? But we are on an exploring mode. So look at this, how beautiful this is. That's the actual beach where we are going, and I was gonna fly the drone on this bridge, but they're like, you can fly it from there where we are going. And all bikers are here now. The whole bridge shakes. Oh shit. Good roads, 5 minutes away from that beach where we are going. We wanted to take the motorcycles there. Huh?
You're happy with the rims?
Yeah man, they're doing well. Yeah, 1500 already kilometers done on this. So अभी testing तो चल ही रही है. एक बार पंचर भी हुआ था, so बहुत सही हुआ था because I didn't have a flat. पंचर वाले तक पहुंचा, रिपेयर कर दिया. Simple. We're gonna stop by for tea. There's a stall here, and one of the buddy has to go back early. But thanks for coming in for the ride, man. I mean, thanks for inviting me too. And so there are no restaurants or cafes at the beach where we're going. It's completely a virgin beach, and that's why they down this road there is a chai wala and samosa guy. So we're gonna break there for tea. After that we'll also have breakfast. Adarsh doesn't know I'm so close to him right now and taking his shot. So we had some samosa pav here, and
Because of the rush.
some tea.
And then we switched to cola. Same here. Tea last.
Okay, so he's leaving the Chrome GT. Hold on. Hope you ride safe.
Yeah, very good.
It's pretty good. He just came for a spin, and that's his beast. Ride safe.
Hello, bye.
To be precise, it is I think 106 kilometers one way. Picnic time. So his interceptor is brand new.
Yeah, brand new.
सर्विस बाकी है ना. ओह कूल, नाइस. सो ब्रांड न्यू. एंड गोवा में तो किलोमीटर्स ऐसे हो जाते हैं. I don't like putting tank bag on my tank, but I'm putting it. So reality तो यही है ना. अभी सब gear में आए थे. So this video's actual caption should be how to gear up and go on the beach and ungear and get into Goa mode, right? So we've got flip-flops, we've got everything. you guys saw just some time back on the vlog, we were wearing gears. Now you'll see us in a different mode. And first of all, किधर गया मेरा zip? हाँ, सबसे important part. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, see देखो. So this is how we riders plan. Okay, we don't need to carry extra pair of shorts. ये तो jeans अंदर पहन के आया था क्या? नहीं, he had put knee guards. Right. So he was wearing knee guards. He was sorted. Shoes are off. So leaving my street wind jacket here. This is the advantage of the visor. And my helmet also I'm leaving here, but I've taken my GoPro. They're saying it's safe. And this is how his boots are hanging here, and my boots are in his pannier. So this is the situation. What I'm carrying is basically my small tank bag, which has my drone, and my fanny pack, which has my mobile phone and all that. And we're gonna put some sunblock later on, because right now it's actually very pleasant. Keep forgetting the name. So Galgi Baga.
Nowhere close to Baga.
Yeah, nowhere close to Baga. It's called Galgi Baga. So first thing when you come here, you see this board. Alright, the do's and don'ts. Do follow this. There are beach workers who make sure that there's no stealing and all happening. So that is sorted here, which is really good. So organized. This part of Goa is so beautiful. We have kept our stuff here. You can even keep it here. It's a free zone. And look at this beach. Woohoo! Ain't this beautiful? हम एक ही चद्दर लाए हैं, हम 4 व्यक्ति हैं. सिर्फ मैं लाया चद्दर, तुम लोगों को सबको एक लानी चाहिए थी. ये पिकनिक और खाने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं ला पाए, बट ठीक है. वी हैड समोसा एंड पाव एंड चाय, विच वाज गुड इनफ. Well, I hope you guys like the drone shot. Actually, there's a lot of fog and mist on both the islands, so I had to withdraw my drone back. Secondly, on the right side, the wind is really gushing, so it's not allowing the drone to shift towards the right side. Just chilling. Oh shit!
Date of hatching is missing.
Acha. So they had laid some eggs on 23rd, and this is where they keep it. Okay, that guy is digging and this guy is chilling. Okay, so this was a fantastic experience. Now we're going to Palolem beach, because there are shacks so we can eat something, and then I think we might jump in the water. Completely depends on these guys, how they are planned. And पानी है, वाह, हमारे पास पानी था, हमें पता ही नहीं था. So looks familiar, right? German bakery, Mumbai Kanyakumari. Siddhant, if you're watching, I am again here, Palolem beach, and we're gonna have some awesome English breakfast. Okay, so I am taking my shoes. Whoops. क्या हुआ? Okay? Okay. All right. Stalled. Not even opened the vents. I will tell him that vents तो खोल दे. Thank you. The truck guy knew that we are.
Next capture Butterfly Beach, which is from here, which is on my bucket list. A lot of couples go to Butterfly Beach. It's quite a private beach and you have to actually take a boat. So Butterfly Beach is definitely next on my list. On this channel now, so you will see such beaches wherever my bike takes me. And yeah, in between I do a basic chilling and stuff, midnight rides and go to the beach. I'm not vlogging about that because of the lighting, you will not enjoy. So excuse me for that. This part about staying in South is you can cover up such beaches which are quite isolated, and once I will go towards the north also to let you guys know, because I always go to Ashram and Arambol and these places. I like those beaches too, but unfortunately I won't do Baga and anything as such, Kalangut or Baga, because those beaches now I don't go often unless I want to go to Burritos and have a fish platter, which I really like. But the way we are enjoying our meals here, like last night, a cool shack, like, so last night it was not a shack, it was like a lady owning a house next to the beach is like serving you fish cutlets in a poe. Poe is basically a bun, stuffing it with awesome raw onions, bit of ketchup. Ooh, bhook lag rahi hai na already sunke. Oh, look at this bend, dude. Sudden aaya yaar. Mast. Woo. So we have to go left. Says fresh chicken available here. Does not say woohoo. So saddling करने का time आ चुका है on alloy wheels. This is the second test of my alloy wheels on off-road. Oh, bhai sahab, these are some hard slippery stones, and like this gravel slide I would have given would have been so good, like serious. That slide would have been awesome, like this, you know. Woo. This is real adventure happening, guys. Woohoo. Oh, a soccer field in middle of this. There's a soccer field. Oh, I wonder what will be happening to the cafe racer guy. Ah, there, Adarsh is coming. It is extremely hot, and this jacket is good as far as the wind is coming. Woo! Woo! Wow, man! Top of the world! Wow, look how close the kite is. Okay, so all chilling at this place. Really amazing place. I'm gonna come here again. And this is how we are using our hangers for our jackets. So you see these kites? They had actually planned to attack my drone, and apparently a butterfly attacked, right? Yeah. A butterfly attacked the drone. Look at that kite. She's like, what? We are going towards the lagoon. So what Shiva had mentioned here, that to cross you'll have to wet your shoes. We have flip-flops, but who cares? Look at this, right? So we just have to cross that much, which is not a big deal. We're at this shack, but it was taking a lot of time. So we are right now moving. I was supposed to swim, but then Shiva has to leave as well. So we are going to come again. But post New Year's, this is going to be empty. That's a lagoon area. Yes, you can take your kayaks on rent there. You can swim. That's just 4 feet of water. And you can have a lot of fun here. So you can see, this is a real chill place. Nice place. Quite crowded, but because it's Christmas and New Year's, that's why it's like this. I'll come post that. I'm back, and the way I have gunned Yakuza, oh my god, I can't believe I tried everything. Leaning this sucker, going off-road, radical. There's a lot of shots which I have not put. However, I went storming 165 full on, and I can't believe these alloys are doing that well. Well, this is why I'm riding hard, so I'm not promoting fast riding, but just to check the strength of these alloys, I'm doing my best. Hope you like the video.